Your first time in Sumba should feel different. At ARYA Sumba, Kodi, the experience begins with the island itself. A place that keeps you close to nature without leaving comfort behind. Mornings feel lighter here. Sun peeking from your window, waves crashing sound slips into your room. And the best part is, no one is rushing you. For some, it's just a holiday. But for others, it becomes the first experience where they can really enjoy their moment. And how they remember their times in Sumba. Let us be your part of your experience in Sumba.